Chick-fil-A gas is just so nice.
They are really nice. Did we just take some 9-month photos? I literally had no idea what it was like being a mom. It's just a lot harder to do with a child. Look how cute these are. I don't know if I've actually like came on and chatted here with you guys. I do a lot of content on TikTok and Instagram, and it's so hard to shoot. Layla's napping right now and she just started moving. So hard to try to do, like, even just doing the 2 platforms is hard, and I try to like make sure that I'm recording, you know, things certain ways for certain platforms, and then for TikTok or for YouTube it needs to be horizontal, and a lot of times I forget, or I'll film it on my phone and then I'll like go in to upload a vlog and be like, okay, I have all these random clips and I never actually like finish the conversation. So I'm hoping I can get better at that, because I want to take you guys on like more of a detailed, like, day in the life video with Layla, maybe like our bedtime routine, or like things like that that are more like intentional versus just like random clips. I know some of you guys enjoy that, but I don't know, I just feel like it's just all over the place, and I again want to just be more intentional with it. But I just finished filming a TikTok talking about my nails. I have shared these so many times. The Impress nails are what I just switched back to. I was doing the dip nails for, let's see, I think right before Layla was born last year. I ended up going back to them just to have them be stronger and just sturdier, and me not have to worry about like nails falling off, and I wasn't sure how they would be with a newborn too. So I'm like, I don't want to worry about it. And then everyone was like, oh, you just need that time to get away too, so it'll be perfect to have like a nail appointment. But to be honest, it was like trying to find time to fit in my nail appointment ended up just being like more of a hassle than anything, and trying to save money, Impress is the way to go. But again, I just didn't know how these would last, so I'll get to that in just a second. But if you guys want to check out like my tips on how to get these on, and or to how to apply these, and then how to get them on to stay on the longest, obviously I'm missing one right now. I'm about to take these off. I'm on day 20 of these, so I have a whole YouTube video with tons of tips. It's one of my top videos. If you go under like my page, I think it's on the front page of the channel. Anyway, I'll also link it up above and down in the description. But I did gardening yesterday and a thorn got me, and I think it's still stuck in there. It hurts so bad. Yeah, I'm gonna take these off, and I just figured I'd chat with you guys like while I was doing that. I wanted to film so many things when Layla was born. I had all these ideas, but it's just a lot harder to do with a child. Even if you have help to like watch them, it's just like you have to choose wisely what you want to do with your time. I really shouldn't be just pulling these off, but that's just how they're gonna go. Yeah, I'm trying to get a lot done during her nap time today. But yeah, I wanted to do like day in the life with a newborn, and like our newborn favorites. I think I still might do like a 0 to 6 month favorite video, and then do like a 6 to 12 month one, because I shared on Instagram my 0 to 6 month favorites. I don't think I ever did anything on here other than just like random vlogs. But yeah, like I said, I want to get more intentional with my vlogs. So if there's specific things you guys want to see, let me know. Like anything you're interested in based on like what you've been watching. Dang, these are on here really good. So these are like I said, day 20, and they're on really good still. One of them barely started falling off yesterday. I planted a garden. I planted plants, like I repotted some plants. I pulled weeds yesterday. I did some deep cleaning. Oh, I just ripped part of my nail off there. That whole thing's gonna come off, darn it. I did some deep cleaning at our Airbnb, which we're still in the process of renovating another one. Almost done. I'm so excited for that to be done, because I feel like it's just it's consuming my life right now. And that is also another reason why I've like feel like I'm slacking on creating content. I know I'm creating like a good amount, but it's tough. It's tough to do it for all the platforms, and trying to figure out like which platforms want to see what. So I feel like on YouTube, I don't really know who my audience is anymore. It's kind of all over the place, just because I've changed so much. And I know I think I originally started for like makeup, and I didn't enjoy doing them, like doing the makeup videos as much as I thought I would. and I wasn't getting a following from it. So I was like, okay, maybe people don't like it. And I felt like I was doing the same makeup video. That's another reason I wasn't very like unique with them. I liked what I liked and I didn't really like to branch out. So that didn't work. Then I went to more like fashion, like Amazon stuff. And that I still share quite a bit of. It's just in a different way. And now I'm gearing more towards like vlogs and lifestyle. And the videos that are getting the most views are more of my lifestyle, like actually more beauty stuff, not makeup, but like my nails and my false care lashes, which I have on right now. They're kind of all wonky right now, but that's another one of my top videos, were those two recently. So hopefully those of you that are watching these vlogs and enjoy them like seeing them, and let me know what you guys want to see more of. I also need to make sure that I'm enjoying what I'm doing. That's an important key, because I don't want to do something I don't enjoy. I do enjoy sharing my life with you guys, especially over on TikTok lately. I've been doing like, I've been experimenting with the time-lapse videos of like my day with a baby, and those seem to be going over well. These are all gross now, but that's what they look like. They have like just the glue on them. Not glue, but adhesive from the backing of the nails. But those are all off. I just have to get some nail polish remover. It'll take the adhesive off. I feel like my dogs have been rebels ever since Layla was born. Like, they don't listen anymore. They still kind of didn't before, but now I feel like, especially Taze, he's like, I'm not listening to you at all. So I don't really know what to do about that. They're so good other than the barking. The barking is just ridiculous. And Layla used to be able to sleep through it. Now it wakes her up. So that's why we're sitting out on the back porch while she naps. Yesterday I picked weeds for 2 hours while she napped in her afternoon nap. But Connor is golfing in the Dells this weekend with a friend. It's just me and the pups and Layla today. Another thing I wanted to go into was like postpartum chats too, because I feel like that's really important to talk about. And I literally had no idea what it was like being a mom. Like, you could have told me all the things before I had a baby, even up until I gave birth, and I would be like, yeah, it's hard, I know. But you don't know until you know. You don't know until you're actually in the thick of it, and you still can't explain it to anyone who hasn't gone through it. It's crazy, crazy. And not everyone goes through it. Not everyone probably went through it like I did, and I know others have gone through it way worse than I did, but I had some pretty good postpartum blues. I wouldn't say I had postpartum depression, but I'd say I had some postpartum anxiety a little bit, and then some postpartum blues, but I'm feeling really good now. It was really hard with all the circumstances surrounding it, where I think I'm over it, past it, not over it, but overcome it, and we're doing good. So I'm gonna go finish these nails and hopefully put on some new ones. I'll show you guys if I do. At least these cleaned up before she wakes up from her nap. Ooh, she's moving right now. If you saw my H&M haul, she is wearing the sleep sack that's supposed to be similar to the Kite Baby one. It's not quite the same, but she's done really well. We've been doing her daytime naps in that, and then the Kite Baby one at night, and she does really well during her daytime naps with it. So, and I did find out it's a TOG 2.0, which I had no idea. For summer, that's probably too thick, but she's wearing like just a little romper with the arms out and legs out, so she's plenty warm, and it's cooler in the house. So yeah, I'd say give it a thumbs up. I will link that down in the description too, but yeah, nice chatting with you guys. All right, just got this new shirt from Amazon. It says Queen of Naps, and what does it say? Sleeping Beauty. It's Sleeping Beauty obviously on it. It's long, I like it. I think I got a large. I showed Connor, he's like, you literally never take naps. I'm like, you're right. I did when I was pregnant though, and I did when she was a newborn. I would love to take naps. I still think it's cute, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, Connor's got Layla. Another Amazon purchase were these little hats, these little like turbans. It's like a ruffle detail. Very lightweight for summer. Someone is teething. She has both top teeth coming in, so she's just cranky today. But it has a little bow, and it comes in 6 colors. So we have the white, this like off-white cream, mustard yellow, gray, pink, and this like coral. It looks orange in the light, but my light's really yellow right here, but it's like a bright coral. So super excited to have her wear these with her summer outfits. I just threw my hair up. Connor's singing. He's making ribs for dinner. And Yeah, I just threw my hair up without looking, so it looks like crazy. But I accidentally ordered 2 of these. Totally didn't realize. Personalized sunglasses, you guys. Look at how cute these are. They say Layla. I wish I would have ordered 2 different colors, but yeah, I ordered one and didn't realize that the one that shipped was actually the one. Yeah, I ordered one, couldn't find the order, and I was like, okay, I must not have ordered it. So I ordered another one, and then it shipped so fast. I was like, holy cow, that was super fast. But I didn't realize that that was my first order, so I could have canceled it in time, but it's fine. So we'll just keep these at 2 different locations, but super cute. I thought that was really fun.
For waiting, what can I get started for you? Hey, can I do a venti white chocolate mocha hot? Of course. What would you like, honey? For you?
And then can I do a tall iced Americano with oat milk?
You're just gonna tall?
Yes, please.
Iced Americano, adding some oat milk in there.
And
anything else?
Can I get 1 pump of sugar-free, is it caramel you have or vanilla?
Ooh, just vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla's fine.
Not a caramel. And it was just 1 pump?
Yes, please.
All right.
That'll do it. We never go on here ordering. I figured we would. We're never in the car.
I'm gonna fall asleep right
We need
now.
coffee. We're tired. Even though she slept through the night last night.
Do you want to go to Chick-fil-A?
No.
Taco Bell? Culver's?
We're supposed to be out.
McDonald's.
We're doing returns,
Burger
and now we're
King?
doing groceries.
Those Chick-fil-A guys are just so nice.
They are really nice.
Too
We ended up
nice.
with Chick-fil-A.
Too nice.
They're not too nice.
Creepy, actually, how nice it is now that I think about it.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's a little creepy.
No,
Can you
they're
make sure
so
they didn't
nice.
spit in my sandwich? I'm kidding.
Did we just take some 9-month photos? You're 9 months old today. Yes, you are. I'll insert the photos that we took, but you are just growing up too fast. Too fast, aren't you? Those teeth hurt. You keep grabbing those ears all day. She's got a tooth coming in on the bottom and 2 teeth just poking through on top. She put the ball through the hole here non-stop all morning. Let's see if we can do it again. Let's see if we can do it again. No, almost a clap, huh? Can you put it through the hole?